Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Now select one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Following that, you can tap on your video right away. If you want to, you can also tap on Gallery section on the left. Tap on your video over here and click on Add at the top right corner. You can even select the same gallery section again, but this time tap on Folders and select your video over here by holding it and tapping on Select at the top right corner. In order to add an audio file though, you need to access Files app. Go into one of those categories like Downloads or just Audio. Hold one of your audio files that you wish to send. Click on Share button at the top right corner and select the Messages app. Then click on one of your chats. And as you can see, after that, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!